Hello, Calebby here. Today we are gonna talk about Google Pay. So recently because of COVID, no, cannot say, because of a virus, many places are using contactless payment. So previously, before this whole situation, we have been using Nets, Flash Pay, PayWave, GrabPay. Uber probably has their own Uber Pay now. And then of course there's PayNow, Paylah. Oh yeah, there's also Samsung Pay and Apple Pay. But now we have Google Pay. Actually, previously we already had that. But now, if you download this Google Pay app, you will be getting either $10, $8, $5 or $3 as a bonus. It's like a cash bonus because this amount is cash credited to your bank account, so you can spend it for anything like maybe chicken rice, pizza, McDonald's, Pepsi, paying off bills. What's so special about GrabPay is actually it has nothing pretty much special like most of the other platforms, GrabPay, Google Pay, whatever, PayNow, Paylah, whatever those other platforms have and had been using, Google Pay is doing the same. The only catch is because this app is still pretty new, so they're in this phase where they are marketing it heavily, which means that Google itself is putting a lot of money paying you and I as users if we use their platform, this Google Pay app. So currently one of the more popular promotion is by transferring or making payments of at least $10, you will be able to get a scratch card, like a lucky draw scratch card of sorts. And with that scratch card, there is a high possibility of you making some money. Not a lot of money, of course, not like millions of dollars, not even thousands, not even hundreds. Most of the time, from what I see, it is below $1, like maybe 80 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents. But on one of the earlier transactions, you will be able to get either $10, $8, $5 or $3 just for creating this new account and doing your first transaction. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, if transfer works, then I can have my best friend transfer me $10 and then I transfer back $10 and he or she transfer me again this $10 and then repeat until we become millionaires. That's not possible because there is a limit of 3 transactions per week that you can make money off. The rest of the transaction are normal transaction where you can't make any money off. So one of the few good parts about this is it is linked directly to your PayNow, Paylah or your bank account, which means that you do not need to set aside a different sum of money into this GrabPay account. They can just withdraw it from your bank account, and any transfer made into this GrabPay app account of yours will directly be sent to your bank account as well, so you do not need to check back and manually withdraw the funds, which is a good thing, right? Because it's easier, because most people forget most things most of the time. So with that, I'm going to show a sample clip of how easy it is to use this GrabPay app. Now saying that means that I have to get into my phone, and I'm using my phone to record this video, so you will not see me for a while. You will just see the screen recording now. Okay, so here we are on the main screen. We need to go to the GrabPay app. The GrabPay app looks something like this GPAY app. The second row, second column. So if we open it, here we are, and we are supposed to key in our PIN. This portion I'll probably cut it out. Now from here, you will be able to pay bills by scanning QR codes. You see there's this QR code scanner at the top left, and then you can also go to your account. So blank my contact details. But anyway, from here, there's this referral code. So if you have not yet downloaded GrabPay app, use this link, and I also drop the link below. So besides you getting that 10, 8 or $5, I too will also be able to get that 10, 8 or 5 or $3 depending on when we're watching it from, because the promotion keeps changing. As more and more people had downloaded it, then of course the promotion or the referral fee would drop. But as you can see, it's connected to PayNow. It can also be connected to your bank account and your different credit cards or debit cards. And if you say, there's a way to make a new payment, just click on that button at the bottom, new payment. And then you can either pay by phone number, UEN, QR code, or the speed a bill. And from here, you can also see rewards, earn as you pay. See? So these are the amount that I've set, so
all of them are less than $1 except for the one that I started with, which is the $8 one. I'm not sure why it's the third or fourth card that I scratched, because it's supposed to be the first transaction one. But anyways, these monies are directly credited to your account, so you do not need to do anything, any withdrawal, like I have said before. So I guess that's all. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comments, and now we'll get out of my phone.
Now that we have come out of my phone, that's all we have for you. If you're new to this channel, we share a lot of money topics. If you don't care about money, don't need to subscribe. But if you do, subscribe down below and turn on the bell notification, because if you turn it on, when I post, you would be able to be notified. If not, you won't be notified. That's all we have. Now, if your friends are asking you about GrabPay, of course share with them. But if you're lazy to share, feel free to share this video with them as well. But of course, share your link, your referral link with them, so that you will get additional money even while they are getting their sign up bonus. That's all we have. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you guys next time.